Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be on the radio. It's a very hot 26 Tango Charlie 101 and we've just stopped for some petrol and we're heading up to Burton Dasset. Going to try the guys on the 1-4 Wednesdays and try for the northeast net or northwest net, or one of them anyway. But it is warm. I've just filled the car up, just coming out of the petrol station, not far away. It's getting dark quite early. It's 2 minutes past 7, so not really running late-ish, but late enough. Right, I'm just chatting to Rich, so let's see if Rich is still with us. Hello CQ, hello CQ, this is 26 Division 26 Tango Charlie 101, looking for the X and we're standing by, please QRZ.
Charlie 101, correct? This is Tango Charlie 101. 26 Tango Charlie 101. Good evening to you, sir. Charlie 101. 26 Tango Charlie 101. Very good copy into North Georgia.
Oh, so hi guys, I've got myself up to the Dassets on a Wednesday, so going to try and call into the northeast or northwest net, and also try the guys on 14 Wednesday. It's absolutely humid up here, guys. A few quick things to tell you. I've got to 300 subs. I had a big load of subs, absolutely brilliant stuff. So I'm going to have to go live, so look out. I'll put an advert up what I'll do when I do go live. I've got a few things coming up. I'm going away for a bit to Wales, going to record that as well. So and my antenna's gone up higher as well, so it's all go in 101's world. Yeah, the antenna's gone up on the very top balcony, but sorry to say there's not much difference. I'll put a little video up of it, of where it was and how it was, but or I'll put it in before. Anyway, we're going to try some radio stuff and see how we get on. Might even go out tomorrow night as well, depending on weather. Yeah, anyway, I'm being called on the radio. We'll check you later in a bit. Here we are, the Dassets. It's pretty busy up here, but and windy, but I found a nice little spot. There you go, look at the antenna, quick look round. There we are. Right, back to the radio. Oh, I nearly fell. Yeah, just went up that mound. Anyway, let's play some radio. So, yeah guys, it's the 8th today, by the way. I didn't tell you the day, 8th of September. And we've had some of the most hottest weather I can remember for September. But I think we got a storm coming. I keep hearing crackles. Hopefully not. And there's a lot of traffic coming up and down this road, which is a pain in the arse, to be honest. But anyway, yeah. I was here in the chair with the northeast net, and we've never tried it before. We tried the northwest, but not the northeast. He's in and out though. Yeah, that is lightning. Yeah, that's the chair. He's coming in really nicely. QSK. Tango Charlie 101 in the Midlands trying. QSK. Okay, Roger. Yeah. Well, we've come out to give it a go tonight. See what it was like. See if we could get through. We'll be sitting on the side, Roger.
Somebody obviously heard you, but we'll get back to you. So back to you, Randy. Okay, thanks very much, Ron. I'm going to ask Jason to do it.
Yeah, good evening, Jason. You've got Tango Charlie 101, the name Alan, Alpha Lima, Lima Alpha November, and we're at Burton Dassett Hills, about 19 miles south of the city of Coventry. Roger, the same this way, Jason. Zero signal, but you're making it through. There are times when your signal goes up. Conditions are very strange this evening. Absolutely great stuff there, Jason. Where's your QTH there? 100%, Jason. Great to make the contact there, my friend. I'll let you carry on giving a shout, and we'll be listening on the side. All the best. 73 for now.
You've already got it, I think.
73, Jason. Hope to catch you again. All the best. I don't know if you can see this, but I really don't know if anybody's witnessed this before, but this has just come out from nowhere. Now, in my 3 years of coming up with Dassets and going up to high places, I've never had this before. So I can only imagine it's either a solar flare or some kind of static rain. But it's gone now. Anyway, yeah, it's raining, guys, so I'm going to get the big antenna down, and I think we're going to head home.
Okay, my friend, before the condition drops, 73, thank you very much for responding my call. I copy in much better condition because the propagation is not good.
Puerto Rico, guys. Just as I'm about to go home, and we get Puerto Rico. 26 Tango Charlie 101 trying, a 26 division trying. Puerto Rico, do you copy? Two six division trying. Puerto Rico, do you copy?
11 Kilo Papa India 101 call.
26 Tango Charlie 101.
101.
Absolutely fantastic copy there, my friend. It's 26 Tango Charlie 101.
Okay, 26 Bravo Charlie 101 is correct.
Tango Charlie, my friend. Tango Charlie.
Okay. Tango Charlie 101, okay? 26 Tango Charlie 101 in this moment, 11 Kilo Papa India 101. My operator name Joel, like Juliet, Oscar, Echo Lima, my friend. Back to you.
Thank you, Joel. Absolutely great to make the contact into 11 Division. First time for me into 11 Division. The name this way is Alan. That's Alpha Lima, Lima Alpha November, and I am in the central UK. I am only using a magnetic mount on the car. I am parked up on about 600 foot ASL.
Okay, very difficult. Very difficult. Copy your station, okay? The propagation will be starting this moment in Europe, okay? Puerto Rico will be starting in our location. In a few hours, I copy much better in England, okay? Because the propagation will be starting this moment. 73, my friend. 26 Tango Charlie 101. 11 Kilo Papa India 101. I copy also in hours ago. 73.
Thank you very much, Joel. By the way, you're a signal 3 and a radio 5. Signal 3, radio 5 into central UK, my friend. All the best. All the best. 73 to you and your family. Thank you for the contact. Wow. first for me, guys. That is, wow. Okay, propagation not brilliant, but 11 division, Puerto Rico. So I'm going to log him. That's a way to end the night, isn't it? Puerto Rico. Wow. Again, this is why I love radio. Absolutely love radio. Shot away on the mag mount as well. On the mag mount, I've took the blooming 5/8 wave down, and he would have been booming in. But do you know what? I've got the contact, and yeah, I've disconnected the camera and everything else. Guys, great. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. This is what it's about for me. What can I say? We'll catch you next time. All the best.